This S20, this is how it is when it arrived. I've opened it, I know what is inside. I just want to show you how it is. So this is how it looks, this is how the box look. 5G. So you open, it has in a charger. This charger is very heavy, very good quality. It has here that is a charger cable, very thick cable, and then it has here an earphone. This earphone is designed, this is how you connect to the phone, to this side of the phone here. It's not like the other one that like a little bit round. It's not like that. This one is different. So I think if you lose these earphones, you have to get a similar one like this before you're able to use this. So now let's go into it. Putting the phone on. When you put the screen on, that's how it looks. So as I said, I've used it before, so that's my picture on it. When you're on the phone, it recognizes my face, so either I use the face or I can just use my pin, open it. So this is how it looks. Very beautiful phone, very good screen. This is a close-up view of the phone. This is the back, and then you see the side of it is very thin. I think it's even thin than my S7 Edge. Very good phone, very light and really flat. Really, I just love the cameras and everything it comes with. It's just really pretty, and I think I'm going to enjoy using this phone. It's very flat. You have to handle this with care and let it be in a cover, else when it drop, it will be a mess. So it has 3 cameras. That's the cameras in the side of it, and then that yellow looking one is the flash. So let's go into, this is the original camera. I downloaded this camera myself. You can choose the 64 megapixels. You can choose the 9 by 16. So many different sizes. It's very beautiful. You can zoom in. Very good phone. This is my first time having it, so I'm going to see how it's going to be during using it. I've not sent it out yet, and so I've not snapped any shots or anything. So far this is how it is. I like the phone mostly because of the camera. The view of Instagram from this phone is so good. You go into a profile and you see almost a long list of almost everything, the photos, and a very long list of it. It's not like the other phones where you see just a very short of it. This one you see almost full of everything. It's really live. It's so good. And you see notifications, they pop up, and even when the phone is off, like the screen is off, you see all the messages and anything that comes through. I'm loving this phone already because it is an upgrade from X7 Edge, and then I'm enjoying this one so much, especially with the color pink. This is just me trying the zoom out. The first one is the wider lens, ultra wide lens, and then the middle one is like for like single or selfie, and then the other one is like really zoom. It's very beautiful, really. And well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below what you think about this phone. And thank you for joining me. Bye.